Jeff at Tri-State Bobcat. Here we go with a new attachment for your mini excavator. The guy should own one of these. 856 pounds of steel muscle. It's a vibratory plate, trench compactor. Now you don't have to hook that compactor and put a man and a machine down in the trench. Reach it with your Mini X. 856 pounds, 23.5 inches wide. Pin-on style. 2 hoses drive it. You see a big shielded hydraulic motor there. Heavy duty plate construction. This one is going to have more compaction force than a walk behind. And you're going to be able to do the trench compaction from inside the cab. 2,000 vibrations per minute frequency, 6,400 pounds of dynamic force. Tri-State Bobcat, we stock this unit. If this is something you need for your Mini X, put that guy that's down in the trench on some other job. It all works better when you got the right tools. Give Tri-State Bobcat a call. Burnsville, Minnesota, Little Canada, Minnesota, and Hudson, Wisconsin. Full service Bobcat dealer. We stock these, we ship daily. Give us a call. Thank you.